So you guys were I'm hearing a lot of you guys wanted the theme song shortened, so here we go. This girl reviews movies, games, and books. Sometimes she plays them. So does that, and when she does it with the cat, does that make her crazy? Does that make her crazy? Probably. So, it's shorter. There you go. CrazyCatLady or Martha Butler does not own any trailers or pictures. I use them under fair educational for and entertainment purpose. It's like it's all they did. Well, those years ago. See? No, I don't want to do any more of it.
Not very much. So, remember, I can't cook that one. So, flying fish. So, hi everyone, Martha here. Flying fish. That's the next one we're gonna cook. Okay, fish. Let's go. Okay, I guess we're having Flynn watch us eat. Cook here. It's good. It's fine. He's just a little too close for my comfort, but whatever. So we got some flying fish. And let's go to nope. Nope. Is it vegetables? Yep, vegetables. Then we get potato. Let's go over here. No milk, okay. I need to buy some more of these. Let's get milk. And then we cook it. What do you think, Glenn? Look good, huh? One more cigarette. This will go with one of my cooking videos. So we got one of the pictures of we get to have for the Sewing Delightful update that comes out tomorrow. Let's see what this says. Waving got something existing to share, not less than 24 hours. The Sewing Delight update releases free for all players. Let's look at this picture now. So we got one of our premium shop things, or one of our things we get in the start path, and our dress that we're going to get from Sally's picture. And there's Jack's up there in the corner. One of the floating islands up there. And right below one of the islands is a new winter house. And the character that gets a new outfit, which would be the fairy godmother. Which looks pretty cool for her. Can't wait to put it on her. Let me see if there's anything else. Nope, I don't really see anything else that's new. But that looks great. Can't wait for tomorrow, so I had to post this up right now so it goes up before the update. But they're doing a lot of things pretty late. They're like cutting corners really badly, seems like, sometimes. But that's what we got. So I'll see you guys later. Like, favorite, and subscribe, and can't wait. Can you? Bye-bye.